I am a current student of the loan signing system. Ms. Pufut, the system does work. Just 2 weeks ago, I did a loan signing. I got $65 and it took all of 15 minutes for me to do the loan modification. And then just a couple days ago, I did another one. It was a cash buyer, cash seller. It took me 15-20 minutes. Prior to starting the loan signing system, I was in search of a new career. I wanted to change careers, but I didn't know what to change to without having to potentially go back to school for another bachelor's. Now, I selfishly did not want to change careers unless I was going to make the same, if not more money than I was currently making. Once I started the loan signing system, and as I'm still currently learning all the different loan terms and different marketing events, I realized, hey, it is very, very definitely possible for me to be able to make the equivalent of what I currently am making and potentially make a whole lot more. The loan signing system does give you all the tools you will need to be successful. It explains, all the different terminology as far as mortgages and loan documents and all that. And it also gives you strategies for marketing, so you know how to go out there and approach, directly escrow companies, realtors, lenders, even the buyers themselves, the sellers themselves. If you're on the fence, I was on the fence for probably 3 or 4 months before I finally decided to take the leap, and I'm so glad I did, because what the loan signing system does, it gives you very detailed information about the different loan documents, the different terms you'll have to learn. And again, it also gives you a step-by-step system of how to go through these loan documents. So again, if you are on the fence, by all means, just jump in. You will be given all the tools you will need to be successful.